gonna put this wig on, and while setting, we're gonna do our makeup. So we're gonna start off with the Got to Be Glued, obviously. Don't mind this, I left my curling iron next to the shit. So, but nothing came out. But we still can use it. Obviously, Got to Be Glued all around the edges. I know my hair is cut, but you can always wash it out. I don't have no waves or nothing, so we good. And then we're gonna let that sit, blow dry, and then we're gonna put a couple coats of Got to Be spray on top. So, start. Because I'm running late. Like always. I mean, you should know that by now. I am running late. I do want to do 2 coats because it is 80 degrees outside. Because I would say finally summer, but it's been raining for like 30 days straight. So, I don't know. You would think we would live in the rainforest or something. What the hell? Alright, we stuck, we wrapped. Now I'm going to take this rose petal witch hazel from Thayer's and clean up my face. Because as you can see, I got a little bit on my face. So, let's clean up. Don't be a slot, you know? Okay guys, it's the final look. We just put the little wig on, put little curls in. And now we're ready to go. I'm not going to put baby hairs in these because I don't do baby hairs. But if you do, that's on you. Me, I don't like it. But this is how I put my wigs on. If you want to see more, let me know below. And I will see you in the next one. Next time, I promise this time. I'll be ready in 5.